Let's be honest for a moment. Are you hiring front-end developers all wrong? You probably think it's just about pretty buttons and slick animations. Stick with me. In 5 minutes I'll give you clear, compliant steps to assess candidates effectively. You'll get a practical blueprint, what to look for, how to test skills, and interview questions that actually predict success. Plus insider hiring tips specific to front-end roles. A wrong hire can hurt conversions, brand perception, and revenue. The right front-end developer is the architect of your customer experience. Getting this right makes your product feel effortless. Getting it wrong creates friction at every touchpoint, no more guesswork. Here's a clear, repeatable process. Let's dive in. Rethink how you evaluate front-end talent. Ready? In the next sections, role impact, must-have technical skills, how to assess soft skills, where to find candidates, and how to keep hiring fair and compliant. A front-end developer is the gatekeeper of your digital storefront. They bridge elegant design and scalable technology. They care about every pixel a user interacts with. The right hire improves engagement, retention, and revenue. They make experiences feel alive and responsive. The wrong hire causes slow pages, broken forms, and inaccessible navigation. Customers leave. Minor bugs turn into chronic maintenance and a burned-out team. Your balance sheet eventually tells the story. Hire well and your product launches faster and better. Treat hiring as engineering. Define specs, test for fit, measure outcomes. Next, the technical must-haves. Let's get down to brass tacks. Fundamentals first. HTML semantics and accessibility are non-negotiable. CSS beyond colors, Flexbox, grid, responsive design, JavaScript, DOM, events, async operations, ES6+, framework fluency, React, Vue or Angular, and component-driven design. State management and routing matter for scale. Comfort with APIs, REST or GraphQL, and error handling. Nice to have, TypeScript, increasingly essential. Testing, unit and E2E automation shows discipline. Build tool knowledge matters for developer velocity. Performance, accessibility, and clean code are the true differentiators. Next, soft skills and how to assess them. Technical skill alone isn't enough. Communication and empathy predict long-term success. They need to articulate trade-offs to non-technical stakeholders. Use behavioral questions. Describe a time you disagreed with a designer's mock-up. How did you handle it and what was the outcome? Tell me about a project you were passionate about. What made it engaging? Give an example where you improved performance or accessibility. What did you change and why? Use scenarios to test thinking. If asked to build a motion-heavy homepage, what questions do you ask? Good answers. Asks about goals, target audience, performance budget, and accessibility trade-offs. Bad answers. Jumps to specs and starts coding without context. Prefer realistic take-home projects or live coding on a practical problem, not abstract puzzles. Use a structured rubric. Code quality, problem-solving, UX thinking, accessibility, and communication. Score consistently and document answers. This increases fairness and defends compliance. Where to look? LinkedIn is broad but noisy. Top sources? Niche job boards like Stack Overflow or GitHub Jobs, plus developer communities, Discord and Slack. Great for passive candidates. And don't overlook referrals. Incentivize your engineers to refer peers. Use your ATS to collect structured feedback and avoid ad hoc notes. Structured interviews and scorecards force apples-to-apples comparisons. Combine take-home projects with rubrics for objective assessment. Pitfall: over-indexing on pedigree. Focus on projects and outcomes instead. Pitfall: timed pressure tests that reward speed over quality. Avoid them. Pitfall: culture fit used as an excuse for bias. Define values and ask behavioral questions aligned to them. Assess motivation with legal open questions. Compliant phrasing. What kind of work environment helps you do your best work? And, tell me about a project you were truly passionate about. What made it engaging? Avoid questions about age, family, religion, or nationality. Stick to role-relevant behavioral queries and document everything. Example: strong answer explains trade-offs, asks performance questions, and proposes alternatives. Weak answer just implements the spec. Use these steps consistently, and your hiring will turn into a competitive advantage. If you're hiring right now, visit peopleteam.com/hiring for templates and rubrics. Subscribe for more hiring playbooks. Visit peopleteam.com/hiring and hire with confidence.